Hello and welcome to my latest video. In this video, I'll show you how to make bottle gourd and prawn stew my style. Shall we start? This is a bottle gourd weighing about 500 grams. Let's lob off the ends of the bottle gourd. We remove the skin next. After that, we'll cut the bottle gourd lengthwise. Remove the middle bit. And after that, we cut the bottle gourd into bite-sized pieces. The bottle gourd is now ready for the pot. 1 medium-sized onion. Slice the onion first. Then chopped into small pieces and set aside for later use. We next have 5 cloves of garlic that we'll also slice first and then chop into little bits. I have 1 tomato here, but I'm only going to use half of this tomato. This is because I'll be adding lemon juice to this stew. Let's cut this half tomato into slim slices for the stew. Five red bird's eye chilies. I'm leaving the chilies whole so as to reduce the spiciness of the stew. 50 ml of thick coconut milk, to which I'm adding 500 ml of water. About 220 grams of fresh prawns, cleaned and deveined but with the tails remaining. I'm marinating this with a little salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper powder, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, and 1/2 teaspoon onion powder. Now let's mix the prawns with the marinade ingredients. We'll now set the prawns aside for later use. I'm cooking the bottle gourd and prawn stew in a clay pot. You can cook in any pot you like. Heat the clay pot on a medium flame and add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. I just added 1 tablespoon. Here comes the 2nd tablespoon of coconut oil. When the oil heats up, add the prawns and fry them for 2 minutes. 2 minutes will be enough for now because the prawns will be added back to the gravy for further cooking. Just look at the prawns turning pink. This means that they are beginning to cook. Turn the flame off after 2 minutes and remove the prawns from the clay pot. Turn the flame on at medium and saute the garlic. Don't worry about the seemingly burnt stuff at the bottom of the clay pot. As I have explained to you in an earlier video, this is nothing but concentrated flavor. This flavor will combine with the stew later when the pot is deglazed with the coconut milk and water mixture. Next, add 1/2 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds and 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds and stir the combined ingredients. When the fenugreek and fennel seeds are nicely roasted, add the coconut milk and water mixture. Then increase the flame to high and let it come to a boil. When the coconut milk and water mixture comes to a boil, add the onions and the tomato in. You next add salt to taste, reduce the flame to medium, stir and let this cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, you gently break up the tomato pieces. You next add the red bird's eye chilies and follow the chilies with the bottle gourd. Maintain the heat at medium and cook until the bottle gourd pieces are done. When the bottle gourd is cooked, return the fried prawns back to the clay pot. Add 2 stalks of curry leaves and stir everything together. Add 100 ml of thick coconut milk after a minute or so. You then reduce the flame to low and stir the coconut milk with the gravy. Let the coconut milk boil on a low flame for about 2 minutes. While the coconut milk is boiling, stir it frequently to avoid curdling. Turn the flame off after 2 minutes and allow the stew to cool for 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes, so we go ahead and add the juice of half a lemon. So this is it, my bottle gourd and prawn stew. Thank you for watching. Until I see you again with another recipe, stay safe. Bye.